Long-term disability benefits are benefits that are available to people if they aren't able to continue with their job because they've been injured or because they're sick. And most of the time it's a policy that's been made available to you through your employer. You might not even realize right away that this benefit is available to you through your work. So it's important to find out from your HR manager if you do have a situation preventing you from working. Other people have purchased their own policy, and we deal with those insurance companies as well.
If you've applied for disability benefits and those benefits have been denied, it's important that you hire a lawyer who's experienced in dealing with long-term disability insurance cases. Most insurance policies have a first 2-year own occupation test, which means if you can't go back to your own job for the first 2 years, your benefits are paid. After those first 2 years, the test changes into any occupation. It's at that point that the insurance companies will typically take advantage of people who are not represented by lawyers to terminate your benefits, saying that, well, there's some job you can do, so even if you can't go back to your own job, you're not disabled from any occupation. What they fail to tell you is that it's not any job that you can go back to, but any job that is reasonably similar to the job you're working before you got disabled. And reasonably similar means similar pay, similar status, and similar hours. So if you're still disabled from working similar type jobs, you should be entitled to your disability benefits. The insurance companies are not there to help you. The insurance companies will tell you that you're no longer eligible for benefits and that you need to get back to work. Well, that could be difficult or impossible for you if you're suffering from a serious injury.
Clients often have trouble negotiating with insurance companies on their own because in an insurance company's eyes, a client is simply a number in their policy book. Here at Bonn Law, we are able to negotiate on your behalf with insurance companies. We're known by the insurance companies with the way that we negotiate and that we are looking for fair settlements for our clients.
Having worked directly with the insurance companies, I have gained insight into how they make decisions and the certain factors that they tend to rely on, certain things that they don't necessarily put out on their sleeves and make public. So you see how the internal processes work, what the management guidelines are, and so knowing how these decisions are made ends up being very helpful when you're representing people who are injured and who are having a dispute with their insurance company.